uMalema ukhwele wadilika kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ethi ufuna ukuzenza iqhawe ekubeni amasosha akuleli engakulungele ukubhekana namavukelambuso ase-DRC.
The conflict in the DRC, therefore, does not require a head of state who suffers from a desire to be a hero at the expense of the lives of our soldiers without an appreciation of the condition that informs the conflict.
Uthi umengameli wakuleli ubekele lizwe engcupheni yempi ngokuphawula ngalolu daba yize engenalo ulwazi olwanele ngempi eqhubekayo eDRC.
We are being humiliated in DRC and threatened with war by President of Rwanda because our role of peace in the DRC is questionable, because there is no peace that has ever been achieved through the deployment of soldiers.
Usola uRamaphosa ngongayixhasi ngokwanele iSANDF.
Our army has collapsed because you have taken money away from them and put it under your mattresses. Today our soldiers do not have food, do not have ammunition, do not have sophisticated equipment.
I-EFF iseyinhlelweni zokuhlakaza ubuholi ezifundeni kanti izogxila ekwakheni izifunda ezincane kuzwelonke ezizoba semphakathini kanti ukulungiselela ukhetho lohulumeni basekhaya ngonyaka ozayo leli qembu lethule uphiko lwentsha ukwandisa abalandeli abasebasha.